kids, welcome to Gugu Kids TV. Article A and an. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest are consonants. We have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now we will learn the use of a and an. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an arm, an orange, an owl, an aeroplane, an inkpot, an eye, an egg, an umbrella, an igloo, an elephant, an ant. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. A mango, a bus, a sheep, a rabbit, a banana, a ring, a frog, a lemon, a car, a book, a kite, a house,